Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Just so you know, that sound you're hearing in the background is my fan because it is a hot one here today. Okay, I am sharing a haul that I did at 99-cent only store. I'm still looking for some things for Halloween that I've seen hauled. Haven't found them yet, but I did find some really cool stuff that I haven't seen and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started. First thing I got two of these glitter stems, these Halloween glitter stems, and these were $1. And I thought they were so cool. Look at those. Look at those black glitter skulls. I'm probably gonna cut the glitter skulls off and use them on a project, but I thought they were so cool. I got two of those. And then I got these pretty purple bubble mailers. And I got these black treat boxes, which I thought would be good for Happy Meal for Halloween. And I just found some cute straws there. These ones have unicorns on them, but that you can, put on them, but I just thought those were super cute. Even if I don't use the unicorns, I just wanted to get those straws. And then I found these pretty mint colored ones. And I found this sewing kit for $1.99, which I know I bought some thread somewhere, but I cannot find it. So I saw that and I was like, yes, please. I got this cute little cat coffin. It's a little box. Let me open it up. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Let me close that. And let's see. You know, hubby is always slipping things in the cart. So, super glue. Let's see what else he got. He got like a couple of things in here. He got clear RTV silicone adhesive sealant. And he got some utility knives. Okay, so there's that bag. Then in this bag, I got, so this is a I think these are placemats. I don't know if it's one placemat or multiples, but this is what it looks like. And it's like black lace, and I figured I'm gonna cut this up and use it. So it's 70 by 70. How could it be a placemat? It's gotta be a what's it called? Here's what the design looks like. It's gotta be a tablecloth, not a placemat, if it's that big, right? Am I crazy? So anyway, I got that. And I got some of these pretty glitter spiders in the purple. And then I also got them in the orange. This was the only orange they had, and I was kind of bummed out that this, like the glitter came off on that one, but that's okay. Then I also found them in silver. And I got 2 packs of these, which I've seen people pour out the bubbles and wash them and then use them for sequin mixes. So I got 2 of those. I love the little skeleton, he's so cute. And then I got these. These are for Halloween decorations. This one, it's just like a bottle. It says Night Bloody Party. What else does it say? Halloween trick or treat. I just love that cat. I thought it was so cute. And I got another one. This one is Halloween Witches Night. Then I found this plastic garland with skeletons on it. So this chain is plastic, and then it's got these skeletons that are all floppy. So I thought that was cool. And then I also got it with these little ghosts. And I got, you guys might have seen in another haul that I got these. Well, I ended up getting another one. Then, close your eyes, Giselle. Then I found the rats in these colors. Giselle hates rats, and she told me in my last video. And then finally, I found this fluorescent green spider web. Is that everything I got from here? Yep. So that's what I found at the 99-cent only store. I'm still looking for some items from there, so I will be on the lookout and more hauls to come. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.